High Court Judge Boaz Usiku delivered the ruling, stating that the applicants have not explicitly asserted why a relief of that nature should be sought under urgent circumstances. A cooperation agreement between the UPM and PDM before the 2019 national elections saw Van Wyk and Bertolini elected to the National Assembly through the PDM's list of candidates. UPM claimed that the national and presidential elections will take place in November 2024 and that if the case proceeds as usual, it may make the relief they are seeking moot because by the time it is resolved and a judgment is rendered, the new members of the National Assembly may have already been sworn in. This Judge Usiku contends that the applicants do not specifically state the impact that this scenario will have on them, nor do they provide a meaningful opportunity for redress at a hearing in due time. The deal also specifies that PDM will be in charge of all earnings, although UPM will get money from the seats in Parliament. Usiku argues that the application is the same as that of other people who have had their work terminated and are taking their claims through the regular channels. He says there is no distinction in the status of the candidates in this case and shouldn't be able to skip ahead in line. According to Judge Usiku, he is not convinced that UPM has met the prerequisite of absence of substantial redress at a hearing in due course. The applicants' loss, which they believe they may incur from not being granted an expedited hearing, Usiku states is insufficient to warrant giving their case priority on the roll and placing it at the front of the line. The UPM also committed to working with the PDM to garner votes for the National Assembly and presidential elections instead of running for seats in the National Assembly as part of the coalition agreement. PDM, however, decided to withdraw the UPM MPs after the party publicly declared its support for the presidential campaign of Ali Angola. Siamantikwa, NBC News, Windhoek.